All right, welcome back everybody. We are looking again at Brush Ninja this week, but some very exciting news. Brush Ninja, the same website, brush.ninja, is now being upgraded to version 2. So since last week, we're now looking at the brand new upgraded version, and it gives us loads more things to do. Let's jump in and give you a quick tour. So I'm going to change back to black. For some reason it starts on pink, which is fine if you love pink, but for our animations, our very simple animations, the color black works perfectly. So you can see that if I draw on my page, I'm going to just scroll down slightly here because the add button is now yellow. It's still a square, and I'll get my next frame. Let's do X's. For some reason I've started doing X's, so let's carry on with that. So I'm coming down here. Let me show you with the mouse here. So I'm clicking on the add button to make the new frame, and then I'm simply drawing my X. I'm using the mouse instead of my pen now. That's why my aim went slightly off. So let's see. We're drawing the same thing again and again, more or less. And then let's hit play. So that's the blue rectangle with the white triangle, the play button here. You can see we've got 9 frames. And let's play those back. So we've kind of got an X that kind of dances around on the screen today. So again, we're going to do some simple animations. We're going to learn how version 2 is different from version 1. Remember again, the URL is brush.ninja. That's it. That's all you need to type in your address bar of your browser. So I'm going to click up here on new, and it says creating a new animation will delete your existing animation. Do you want to continue? It's basically saying, would you like to get rid of what you've got to start afresh? So let's click OK. All right, so we started, if you remember last week, by drawing a series of circles. And so we're just going to recap. Now I've got pink there. So I'm going to come up here to the undo button. I'm going to come over to black. And I'm going to start to draw again my circles. So I'm going to start really small. So we're recapping from last week, coming down to add new frame. Now I can't see the frame from before, and now we've actually got a little icon at the top here, can you see, of an onion. So that makes things much clearer as to what that does. Remember, being able to see the last frame and the frame after, we can't switch it now. We used to be able to choose to only see the frame before or only see the frame after or see them both. But now with this one button, we see before and after. I'll show you in a minute what I mean. So if I click add now, I'm going to come and draw another circle around again, and click add again, and then draw a circle around again. You remember we did this last week. Just going to quickly recap it. So I've done how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's going to be fine. Now I'm going to get smaller again. So if I click add, I'm going to go, whoop, that's my mouse. I'm using a combination of a mouse and a pencil. But you'll be fine either with your mouse or either with your finger if you're on a tablet. So let's get smaller again here. I'm using the mouse so that you can see exactly where I'm clicking, otherwise you'd have to guess where I just clicked. And let's go one more back again to here. Okay, then I'm going to hit play, see what we've got. Not too shabby. Okay, so that's our first thing I'd like you guys to try. I'm going to stop the video here. I want you to load up brush.ninja, and I'd like you to have a go, switch to black, and then try this growing and shrinking circle animation, and then join me in the next video.